What is going on, my impossible creators? I have another easy one for y'all. This should probably take less than 5 minutes for you to actually do from start to finish. So we're using two websites here. ChatGPT is what you see on my screen right now. This is the prompt that you're going to drop in. As usual, I will provide this prompt for you in the description. And wherever you see the parentheses, or I might make it brackets, I like to use brackets, and even color it yellow, I may do that. So wherever you see where it says reading, and then right now it says Joel ARZU, but swap it out to whatever you want, for whatever you want it to say, and send that prompt over, and you should get something like this, right? So once you get this, we have one more step, because what this is going to end up being is a start frame and an end frame. So what we're looking at is the end frame. The start frame, we actually want it to start blank, and actually to shift the background a bit, which is actually what we ask ChatGPT to do. By the way, you want to be under images. So you go to chatgpt.com. If you're using the website, there should be an images icon on the left panel there. You click that, and then you start with that prompt that I said earlier. The second prompt is remove whatever title you have. In my case, it's Joel ARZU, from the image, and shift the lighting a bit. So once you have those two images, you're going to download them, right? So download here, it's the arrow down button on both images. Once you have those two images, we're going to hop over to Midjourney. And in Midjourney, we're going to have we're going to slide over the starting frame, which is what I just did over here. It's when you drag an image over, you'll see that it'll make room for it for you to drop it in. So that's the starting frame. And the end frame, I'm dragging it over to where it says ending frame. And what you're going to want to type in the text field here is the words dynamically spin into frame. I have it in low. You can play around with low and high, but go ahead and submit that. Boom, and done. If you put your cursor over any of the four boxes here, you'll see 4 options. So from here, I'm really digging the second one. Now download your favorite video, and you're done. Thanks for watching.